I got issues. And if you don't believe me, just shave under your armpits or shave your vagina and see how fast it grow back.
If you're looking for a winner, looking for attention, looking for supreme, looking for a queen, just roll with me. If you're looking for a winner, looking for attention.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. I'm pretty sure you're subscribed already, but if you ain't, I'm gonna just give you a second to do so. Woo-woo. Right. Okay, should be done. Thank you all for tuning into this video. So today I'm going to give you my top 10 tips on how to grow long and healthy natural hair. So just to give you a little bit of background information, I've been natural for about 4 years. I think when did I got my last relaxer in 2014. I transitioned for 11 months and then I big chopped March the 8th, 2015. So I transitioned for 11 months and so now once I transitioned for 11 months and then I got sick of it, went to Walmart and chopped it all off. My hair was like this short. And so now it's been 3 years since I've been fully natural. So my first piece of advice is to drink water. Like just drink water. It's important to stay hydrated because when you're hydrated and healthy, then it'll start to show through your skin and your hair. So yeah, drink lots of water, eat healthy. My second tip is to do hair treatments. The hair treatments I fluctuate between are the deep conditioning treatments and hot oil treatments. So I know I deep condition my hair every single week when I'm not in a protective style. And then I do hot oil treatments about twice a month. Alright, my third tip is to get frequent trims. I trim my hair about every 3 months or so, just so that when it's time for me to like straighten my hair, I won't have to have a whole lot cut off. So hair trims really help because just think about it. If your hair is growing right, your hair grows from your scalp. The ends are the oldest parts of your hair. So the more your hair grows out, the longer, and you don't get trims, your split ends rise up your hair shaft. You get what I'm saying? So even though your hair is growing, you're not going to be able to retain it because it's like dead weight on your hair. Okay, tip number 4 is biotin. So one thing, I took biotin when I took biotin when I was relaxed, and it really did help my hair grow a lot. But since I can't take pills now, it's like these gummies, hair, skin, and nail gummies. I took those, but I saw the most growth in my hair when I was taking, I think, the 5,000 milligram biotin. So when you take those, make sure you're drinking lots of water because some people experience breakouts. I didn't, but my hair grew tremendously from biotin. Tip number 5 is to moisturize and seal. Moisturize and seal is basically when you spray your hair with water, or you just got done co-washing, and then you put a moisturizer on it, like a leave-in treatment or a cream, and then you seal it in with some type of oil, whether it's castor oil, olive oil, coconut oil. When you moisturize and seal your hair, using a leave-in conditioner or a cream on your hair, and then you're going back in with some type of oil and sealing in that moisture. Dry hair breaks, so don't ever comb your hair when it's dry. Always make sure that your hair is moisturized before you put any kind of comb or anything, before you do anything to your hair. Just think about it. If I had a hair strand, it's super dry. If you bend it, it's going to break. But if it's moisturized and wet, then no matter which way you turn it, flip it, twist it, it's not going to break because it's so moisturized. So oiling your scalp is very important, and making sure that your scalp is clean, because that's where your hair grows from. So once make sure your hair is clean, and then oil your scalp. Oil your scalp and then just massage your scalps. This makes the blood flow into your head. So just get some oil and then just circulate your scalp like that. Massage it. That gets the blood flow. Dang it, I can't talk today. That gets the blood flow running. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Number 6 is protective styles. Hence the singlies, twists. Protective styling is a really good option, especially during the colder months when your hair is a lot drier, because you don't have to manipulate it as much. So these protective styles, I'm going to keep it, they've been in for about 2 to 3 weeks. I'm going to keep them in for about 2 more weeks and then take them out. So yeah, this is a great way to, you know, whether it's sew-in, wigs, crochets, flat twists, you know, braid outs, anything like that. Okay, tip number 7 is co-wash twice a week. Okay, so when I first chopped off my hair, I was co-washing like 4 times a week, no lie. But, you know, I realized that that's too much and it was eventually drying out my hair. So I started co-washing twice a week, and I seen the most growth in my hair when I was doing this once I peak chopped, because my hair loves water. You know, when you have natural hair, your natural hair needs water. You need to drink water, and you need to make sure you co-washing your hair with water at least twice a week. Okay, tip number 8 is to stop putting heats, chemicals, and dye into your hair. So, if you have chemically relaxed hair, I don't think, you can have long, pretty hair, but I don't think your hair is the healthiest with chemicals. You know, I think our hair is the healthiest when it's in its natural state and able to grow without all of the chemicals and dye. Heat is really important as well, because heat can break off your hair. You can get a lot of heat damage, and don't nobody want to be walking around here with no heat damage. Okay? Okay. Tip number 9 is to protect your hair at night. You can either sleep with a satin pillowcase or silk pillowcase and a satin bonnet. I don't use a silk pillowcase because I have to sleep with my hair in a bonnet no matter what. So that's how I protect my hair at night. If you don't protect your hair and you're sleeping on like a cotton pillowcase, then the more your hair rubs on that cotton pillowcase, the more it's going to dry out. And so it would be like you would be moisturizing and sealing your hair, but you won't be retaining that moisture, because when you go to sleep at night, it'll all be on your pillow. And that's really disgusting. And the last and final tip is something that I used to hate when people say. I used to watch these videos, you know, when I first cut off my hair, you know, how to grow long natural hair, how to grow curly hair, how to grow black hair. And I used to hate when people give me this tip, but it's the truth. I've seen it. I mean, it's something that I had to grow through. And it's to be patient and consistent. So be consistent with your wash days. For me, my wash days, I co-wash on Wednesdays, and then I deep condition and co-wash on Sundays. So just making sure not to skip a week of deep conditioning treatments, moisturizing, any of that. Stay consistent and to be patient. Your hair grows. Everyone's hair grows. It may grow at a slower rate or a faster rate, but everyone's hair grows. Everyone's hair grows. Say it with me. Everyone's hair grows. Everybody's hair grows. I got issues. And if you don't believe me, just shave under your armpits or shave your vagina and see how fast it grow back. Seriously, just see how fast it grows back, because it does. Your hair grows. You may not be retaining the length, which is a problem, or it may grow slower, but your hair is growing. You just gotta learn how to take care of it, and you know, it'll eventually show. So yeah, this wraps up this video. You should all be subscribed by now. I know y'all hit the button. I know y'all hit that button. Okay. Yeah, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.